Today in this video we're gonna talk about color grading, which is called teal and orange. Guys, I like to use these color grading in my different video projects, and remember, you have to know these. Some of different cinematic movie, they like to use this color grading. So now let's jump in Premiere Pro, and I just want to show you how you can apply it in your video clip. Stick around. Yes guys, here in my Premiere Pro I have some different video clips in my timeline. It is better to use an S-Log footage. Okay, so let me extend this timeline. Okay, so now jump here on color. So as you see here, I have some 6 lumetric colors, which is going to help me to color grade my video. Here I have some basic correction, curve, creative, color width, HCLA, and vintage. So now let me open up this curve. So here in the middle I have some mid-tone. Okay, this is mid-tone and this is shadow. Then here on the top I have some highlights. So now click here on this mid-tone and then increase and then reduce this shadow. Okay, you have to move down. You see how my footage is. So now come here on lumetric scope. You see here I have more bright because it affected on 100 here. Okay, so I have to reduce. Okay, when I move down this mid-tone, you see how these colors is going down. Okay, so now let me just do this shadow and click here on this highlight. So you have to balance it where this curve, because I am increasing some contrast in my video clip. Yes, I'm giving some details to my video clip. Okay, so then after this, so back here on basic correction, you have to increase this saturation. Yeah, depends how your footage clip is looking. Okay, yeah, this is better, and let me increase this some contrast. Okay, because it will support that curves which have been balanced. Okay, close. So now open up this HCL secondary. So now I'm going to make the skin tone. You have to choose red because these are just the skin tone of human. It has the red color. So now click here on this icon, you see. So now I'm going to track the skin only. Okay, you have to make sure you have to choose the skin. All other things which has red color. So now increase this brightness. It's like to smooth some edges between this skin tone and other colors. Okay, so now to click here, I click here to invert, to make some inverse. So now I mute some my skin tone. So now click on these 3 bars. I'm going to increase some blue in this background. Okay, yes, just use this mid-tone. Increasing some blue. You know, teal and orange, it include orange and some blue. Okay, increase this contrast and this saturation. So now let me see, just look how it is. So now close this HCLA. My clip is looking better. So now come back here on curve. So now I'm going to increase the saturation of my skin tone. Okay, so now you have to use this hue for saturation. So now choose this orange and red color. So when I increase some high, okay, you see how my skin is. What? Yes, it looks really dope. Let me increase just like this. Okay, yeah, this is enough. So here I can increase some green, this tree. Okay, so now close this curve. Okay, back here on basic correction, so you can increase some highlight, but here I have to reduce some more. Okay, so let me see before and after. This is how my clip is looking before, and this is after, guys. This is before, this is after. Okay, so back here on effect. Okay, when you're done to color grade your effect, so now I'm going to copy these settings, these color grading settings. I just want to paste into my another clip. Okay, this is my second clip. I just want to paste my color grading settings. So now back here on the first footage have been correct. Click here on limited color, right click on it, then click here copy. So now you see how my clip is. So now let me jump on the second one. Just I want to paste my settings of color grading. Just you can click Ctrl plus V for paste. You see how my clip is. For here, guys, you can increase some blue, because you see it doesn't looks well like before, or just like the first one. Here you can increase some blue. Okay, let me increase some blue here. And this background, you know, this is the sky. That's, you know, the sky, it must have the blue color. Okay, just increase this temperature. Oh, this is too much. Okay, let me reduce it. Okay, this is cool. Wow, yeah. Let me increase some small orange. Okay, increase this brightness. Yeah, this brightness helps you to fit those two colors. Okay, so when you play, you see, wow, this is cool. So let me come back on my first clip, then let me copy these settings, and then I just want to paste here on the third clip. When I click Ctrl plus V, wow, directly you see this is better. This is better, guys. If my video is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up, and drop your comment down below. See you in next video. Peace.